Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to look at the built-in iter function. And these, I don't want these to be too technical. I want to break them up a little bit. I hope you guys liked the last video challenge. So while we're touching on that, make sure we're subscribing and hitting that notification bell, because we do have videos every day and I don't want you missing any of these, because we're slowly gonna bounce back and forth between technical and practice, and I don't want you guys to feel overwhelmed with too technical or too nerdy, but there are some important things, and I think these are pretty important, because when we touched on the generator video, kind of went very quickly through one of the built-in functions, and we're going to touch on that in a minute, or in a couple of videos. So all right, let's just look at this name, and then let's just do Sam. So all right, this is important, so let's look at it. Dir name. So all right, iter right there. So now this is a way to take this, and let's look at this. So if one way to think about it, and we'll go more into detail, but if this is here, you can run this function. So name, yeah, let's just go through, let's keep it over here. Name equals Sam, and then print name, call name, comes out, so it looks, type of name is string. So now, because, all right, you have iterators and iterables, and you iterate like your while loop and your for loop. You iterate through iterables and iterators. So there's a slight difference between the two of them. So let's, if I can spell correctly, so iterable, then we put in name, so we're going to reassign. Now I run this and I call name. It is a string iterator object, and that is a very important distinction between these two. So before, I called and I got the actual information to come out to the screen. But now, since it's an iterator, all kinds of different rules are applied. So all right, this, and we're going to touch on this later, but I want to show you this here and kind of warm you up to what the next video is going to be. Name. So now, let's see. This is important. This is a hint, or as you know in literature or in movies, foreshadowing. So right here. So super important. And if these are videos that you are liking, please click the like button, because I'm getting some really good feedback on trying to figure out if these are the videos that you guys like. If they're too technical, I want to keep it light and simple, but there are a lot of information out there that is very helpful in Python, and I want you to be learning as much as you want to, so I don't want to overload you either. But alright, this is the iter function, and it has all types of awesome, and here, so let's look, let's just touch on it. So we do, let's come back over here. Dict has it, of course, list, and So there it is. Where to go? Iter. Now, these are, here's one that really threw me off, that I was really surprised by. So we have list, range, 5, close this out. So, okay, X. So, let's see if I can remember. All right, so I probably haven't shown you the reversed function, but it is a built-in function, and we'll just show you. So X is that. So check this out. Reversed. This is the only one I can think of that will, a built-in function that, okay, so here, yeah, list reverse iterator, and then it creates an object. And there are a couple others. Oh, here's a good one. A file object. Well, I don't want to get into that, but that's another hint. That's a very awesome object, and it is an iterator. So you have iterables and iterators. They are not the same. They are not the same. I don't want to overload you right now, but super important stuff. But all right, this is a pretty lengthy video, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And we'll do a cool video next time, very handy, with some string format that I realized that I didn't touch on, and then we'll go into another built-in function. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.